Hey there, Action Cam fans. Today, we're diving into some exciting leaks about the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6, rumored to be the next big thing in sports cameras. If you're into capturing life's adventures, this could be your next go-to gadget. Let's break down everything we know so far. Spoiler alert, there's a lot to get excited about. While DJI hasn't officially announced the Osmo Action 6, leaks and regulatory filings are pointing to an early 2025 release. Sources suggest a launch window between March and June. That might feel far off, but with all the buzz building around this camera, it'll be worth the wait. The first clues came from the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, in the United States. These filings explicitly mention the name DJI Osmo Action 6, but interestingly, they dropped the Pro tag seen on the Action 5 Pro. Does this mean a shift in DJI's strategy? Possibly. Adding fuel to the fire, similar filings popped up with Switzerland's SGS regulatory authority, hinting at a global launch. Multiple certifications across key markets suggest DJI is gearing up to make a big splash worldwide. The FCC filings reveal some intriguing details about the connectivity and battery options for the DJI Osmo Action 6. The camera is expected to feature Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensuring faster and smoother wireless transfers. This upgrade would make uploading footage or syncing with DJI's mobile app seamless, especially for creators on the go. What really stands out, though, is the mention of two different battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. The latter matches the battery used in the Action 5 Pro, hinting that DJI might release two versions of the Osmo Action 6. This could mean a standard model focusing on portability and affordability, and a premium Pro version designed for serious content creators. The Pro version might come with additional features like extended recording times or enhanced performance, setting it apart as a powerful tool for professionals. If DJI opts for a dual model release, the differences between a standard and Pro version could be significant and tailored to different types of users. The Pro model might introduce advanced stabilization, offering smoother footage even in extreme conditions. For content creators aiming for cinematic quality, the Pro could support higher video resolutions, potentially hitting 6K or even 8K, setting a new standard for action cameras. Additionally, the Pro version's larger battery capacity could mean extended recording times, making it ideal for long adventures, professional shoots, or time-lapse recordings. On the other hand, a standard version would likely focus on simplicity and affordability, appealing to casual users who prioritize portability and ease of use. This model might strip down on some premium features while still delivering reliable performance, ensuring it's accessible to those who just want to capture their moments without fuss. No product is perfect, and the Osmo Action 5 Pro had its critics. Users wanted better low-light performance, higher resolutions, and faster frame rates. If DJI nails these upgrades, the Action 6 could seriously outshine its predecessor. Imagine capturing crystal-clear footage during underwater dives, evening hikes, or night sports events. Improved low-light capabilities would make this camera a game-changer for adventurers who don't let darkness stop them. Let's be real. The GoPro Hero cameras are Osmo's biggest competitors. DJI has to bring its A-game, and stabilization is one area where they can make huge strides. While the Action 5 Pro delivered smooth footage, there's always room for improvement, especially for high-speed activities like mountain biking or snowboarding. The action camera market is cutthroat, but DJI has carved out a solid niche with its Osmo Action series. A well-rounded Osmo Action 6 with better stabilization, video quality, and maybe even smarter features like AI editing tools could solidify its place as a must-have for both casual users and professional creators. Regulatory filings like these usually surface a few months before a product hits shelves. So, an official announcement in the first quarter of 2025 seems likely. DJI is known for quick follow-ups, and if they've been listening to user feedback, the Osmo Action 6 could be everything we're hoping for, and then some. The leaks paint an exciting picture, but let's not forget, these are still just glimpses of what DJI might deliver. Whether you're a vlogger, A thrill seeker? Or someone who just loves capturing life's moments? The DJI Osmo Action 6 could be the camera that takes your content to the next level. What's on your wish list for the Osmo Action 6? The long-rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4. It's the portable camera everyone is talking about. While there hasn't been an official announcement yet, the leaks and rumors alone have set the internet ablaze. If even half of these features pan out, we could be looking at a revolution in pocket-sized filmmaking. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. It's shaping up to be a game-changer for vloggers, creators, and anyone craving professional video quality in the palm of their hand. So what's got everyone so hyped? Stick around, because today we're breaking down everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's start with the design. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to sport a slightly larger frame, coming in at around 190 grams. That's still incredibly portable, but the size bump serves a purpose. It's making way for a larger, more immersive screen. The display is said to be a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with 480 by 800 resolution and a brightness level of 800 nits. Translation? You'll no longer struggle to see your screen when shooting outdoors. Whether you're framing that perfect sunrise shot or navigating menus, usability is about to get a lot easier. Plus, improved ergonomics, better grip texture, and smarter button placement means it'll feel even better in your hands during long shoots. If you've ever fumbled with controls mid-vlog, these changes will be a game changer. Now, let's talk about the engine under the hood. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This is huge for image sharpness and low-light performance. Whether you're shooting under the stars or capturing bright cityscapes, this setup promises crisp, detailed shots in any lighting condition. For creators who love pushing boundaries, the Pocket 4 might support an ISO range up to 16,000 for stills, with 10-bit color depth, HDR recording, and D-Log-M capabilities. This means pro-level flexibility for color grading and post-production workflows. And then there's the showstopper, 4K video recording at 240 frames per second. Imagine buttery smooth slow-motion shots that add a cinematic touch to your videos. Whether it's fast-moving sports or dramatic nature sequences, this feature alone makes the Pocket 4 a standout. One of the biggest gripes with earlier Pocket models has been autofocus. But with the Pocket 4, DJI might be stepping up its game with phase detection autofocus and eye tracking. Imagine vlogging on a bustling street. Your face stays in perfect focus, even with constant movement. Pair this with the rumored Active Track 7.0, and you've got precision tracking that keeps your subject locked in, no matter how chaotic the scene gets. And don't forget stabilization. DJI is expected to combine its legendary mechanical gimbal stabilization with advanced electronic algorithms. This means smoother footage, even in high-motion scenarios like fast pans or running shots. Battery life can make or break any portable camera. Fortunately, the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to pack a more efficient power management system for longer recording times. Fast charging? Yes, please. Reports suggest it could reach a full charge in just 25 minutes with DJI's PD charger. That's faster than its predecessor and perfect for creators on the move. Better yet, the camera is rumored to feature enhanced heat management so you can shoot longer without worrying about overheating. For vloggers and filmmakers, this is a lifesaver. Of course, all these incredible features come at a price. Rumors point to a starting price of $699 for the standard version and $799 for the creator combo. While it's a bit of a price bump, the value seems undeniable, especially with the leap in image quality, usability, and versatility. As for availability, the Pocket 4 might hit shelves by late 2026 or early 2027, keeping in line with DJI's typical 3-year release cycle. If the leaks are accurate, the wait will definitely be worth it. So, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? Based on what we know, absolutely. From the larger screen and 1-inch sensor to the pro-level video capabilities, this camera isn't just an upgrade, It's a statement. DJI seems to be addressing the real pain points of creators, delivering a tool that's both portable and powerful. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, or even just a casual user looking to step up your game, the Pocket 4 might just be the perfect fit. What do you think? Are you excited for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on updates.